guys, so I just got myself one of these Wi-Fi doorbells from Globe Tech Security. I must say it's very impressive. I can now answer my door from my smartphone. How awesome is that? So if you're anything like me, busy bee who's never at home, then I definitely recommend this product to you guys. I no longer have to worry about, missing visitors or missing the parcel guy thanks to my new little Wi-Fi doorbell. It works great over Wi-Fi. It's even over 3G actually and 4G mobile networks as well. And every time I get a visitor, my phone rings, so I know exactly who's at my door. I can speak to them and let them know that I'm not at home. Like last week, for example, I was in Europe for work, and thanks to my new little doorbell, I managed to keep track of all my visitors. I even had my parcel guy actually leave a really important parcel in my shed for me, so that was great. So yeah, overall, very, very easy to set up. It's packed with great features like motion detection, there's infrared night vision, visitor log. So yeah, the audio in the video is great as well, but the best thing actually, I ordered it and it arrived very next day. So yeah, I'd say in general, 10 out of 10 on this little Wi-Fi doorbell for me.